R.D. Sharma, Class 6, Mathematics, Chapter number 10, Basic Geometrical Concept. In that topic is curve. Now, curve is of two types, that is open curve and closed curve. If here the definition is that a curve which does not cut itself is called an open curve. Okay, which not cut itself is called an open curve. Now, in the first one, some example is there. Now these are called, that two endpoints is there. Okay, then it is called open curve, and it is closed means closed curve. Here it is, third one is closed curve because closing, so closed curve. Fourth one, that is closed curve. This is open, and this sixth one is also open curve. Okay, understood? If it is closed, then it is closed curve. If it is open, their end point is open, then it is called open curve. Now, polygons. What is called polygons? A polygon is a closed curve formed by the line segments such that no two line segments intersect except at their endpoints. No two line segments with a common endpoint are condemned. Now, if polygon means a closed curve forming with the line segment, these are the example of polygons. Okay, they are forming with the line segment only. Now if I am drawing this like this closed curve, but it is not the, this is closed curve but it is not the polygon. Polygon always form with the line segment only. These are the polygons. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, these all are polygons. Now, adjacent side. Any two sides with a common endpoints are called the adjacent sides of the polygon. See, if you have this polygon, okay, now what we have to find? Adjacent side. If you have same endpoint, means this is your endpoint and this is your adjacent side. One endpoint and two adjacent sides, same side of polygon are known as endpoint, are called the adjacent side of the polygon. Any two sides with common endpoints. Common endpoints means these two sides have common endpoints, so adjacent side is AD and DC. If you want common endpoints is B, so your adjacent side is AB and BC. Okay, so adjacent side of D is AD and DC. Adjacent side of B, so that is AB and BC. There should be a common endpoints. If we have to take adjacent common endpoint C, so DC and BC. Okay, if we have to take common endpoint A, so then AB and AD. Okay, these are the adjacent side of this polygon. Vertices. Adjacent vertices means endpoint of the same side of the polygon are known as the adjacent vertices. Now, endpoints. You had given that polygon. Okay, here your polygon, it is that A, B, C, D. They have same side, means this side. If you have DC, then vertices D and C is adjacent vertices. Okay, D and C is adjacent vertices, D and C. Now if we take line segment this BC, then B and C is adjacent vertices. Here if we take line segment AB, then A and B is line adjacent vertices, and B and C is adjacent vertices. one line segment you have to take, and their endpoints are adjacent vertices. Diagonals, these are the diagonals that you know, right? A, B, C, D. So AB and DC are the diagonals. Okay. Now let us see 10.3. Draw a rough diagram to illustrate the following. Open curve. So we can draw anything. Okay, but their endpoint should be open. And closed curve. So we can draw a circle, anything. So it is closed curve. Now classify the following curve as open or closed. This is open, close. This is also close, open. This is open, and this is closed curve. Draw a polygon and shade its interior. Also draw its diagonal if any. Okay, we have to draw a polygon. So we will draw it. Say I am drawing a polygon. Okay, S square. Vertices A, B, C and D, and if the diagonal if any, so AC and BD is diagonals. Okay, only this much we have to draw. Now question number 4. Illustrate if possible each of the following with a rough diagram. A closed curve that is not the polygon. So we have to draw the closed curve that is not a polygon. An open curve made up entirely of line segment and a polygon with two sides. So first one, it is there a closed curve that is not a polygon. So we can say closed curve with that is not polygon. So we can draw the circle. Okay, this is a closed curve, but it is not the polygon because polygon always form with the line segment. Second one, an open curve made up entirely line segment. So open curve entirely with line segment. Anything you can draw. Okay, so this is the open curve with the line segment. And third one, a polygon with two sides. No, a polygon with two sides is not possible. So why? Because polygon always form with two, three or more line segment. So a polygon with two sides is not possible because a polygon is forming with three or more line segment. Thank you for watching this video.